Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's get crafting. For the first project, what I'm going to be using is this little shadow box that I found from the Dollar Tree, which of course you guys don't see here, but you will. I'm taking the backing and it had a piece of wood back there. Well, fake wood anyway, like paper. So I took that off and I am putting on this paper that looks kind of like lace, like antique lace. So I'm going to glue that to the back. And since this is a shadow box, I'm also taking some of Dollar Tree's glittery hearts. They're like vase fillers. And I'm going to put some in this shadow box. And the shadow box says, a home or a house is full of love. So I thought that was pretty perfect for Valentine's Day. So again, since these are Valentine's Day themed DIYs, that is why I've got the hearts kind of just floating around in there. It's really cute, fun. You can sit it anywhere. You could always take the hearts out and then use it for a different holiday or just for whatever decoration around your home. So I really, really like this one. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to just take that new backing that I have, attach it to the shadow box frame back, and then clip it into place. That's it for this one. It's quick and easy. I thought the saying was perfect, and it just needed a little bit of extra touch. So let me know what you guys think of this cute little fun-filled shadow box. Project number 2. For our second DIY, what I'm taking is one of Dollar Tree's frames and this love sign. So you can pick up any frame that you want. They have these cute little square frames. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the glass and I'm going to stick this, I guess it's kind of like a wall art, wall saying. I don't know what Dollar Tree really labels these as, but I really like the look of this, and I thought it was beautiful, and it's Valentine's Day, and I mean, you can keep this up all year around if you like just, you know, words that say love or hope or dream, whatever. So I'm just going to take the LOVE and stick it down to the glass itself. This was a little bit challenging, I'm not going to lie, only because trying to make sure that they were center in the frame or on the piece of glass, but then also that they were straight up and down. It was it was fun, but it turns out really beautiful in the end, and I really, really loved doing this one. It was simple and easy, and you know, let me know what you guys think of this one too. I didn't do anything to the frame itself. It is just a gold flaked, I guess you could say. Like, it looks very antique or tarnished, kind of gold. It's got black specks through it, so it was really, really pretty. But and then I did the same thing, the same backing for this project as I did the first one. It just has that lace kind of backing to it. I thought it was, well, I think it's really, really pretty. But I mean, you guys could choose whatever background you want for your project or whatever goes with your decor. But that's it for this one. It was quick and easy, and I wanted something really pretty to hang up. And if I don't want to take it down, I don't have to, because it is very neutral. So, yeah. Once I finally figured out how to get the background all squared away, I then just did the same thing as the first project. I just took some glue from a glue stick, glued it all down, and that was it. Popped the frame on, and this is cute, adorable. I really like this one. It's easy, simple. Let me know what you guys think of this DIY in the comments as well. Project number 3. Okay, so for this third DIY, I found this bless sign from Michael's for $1 and this cute little heart frame from the Dollar Tree. So I am taking some antique wax and then some white paint, and I'm also taking these rub-on words from the Dollar Tree as well. Now, these words were kind of tough to like get them all kind of cut out for the ones that you wanted because there's so many crammed on this tiny little paper. But I really do like these, especially since they are that rub-on transfer. So what I do first is I go ahead and paint the bless sign in the antique wax. It took a while to do that. I'm not gonna lie. I wish that I could paint stuff as fast as this like high speed on these editing videos goes. But it did take a little while to make sure that I had everything covered. And then I took some of the plaster white paint from Waverly and just painted the frame. And then I took some of that white paint that was left on my paintbrush to distress the bless sign. And I did take some of the antique wax and just go around the edging on the heart frame and inside of the heart as well, just to, give it a little bit of distress so that this way here both pieces match. Okay, so once I got done distressing everything and staining this word. Now, if you don't have a Michaels around you, the Dollar Tree does have words like this. They have ones that say home. They have ones that say, oh God, what other ones do they? I know they definitely have one that says home. I think they might have one that says smile. They have one that says relax, like things like that. So, I mean, you don't have to run to Michael's and get these. I was just there and seen this and I was like, oh my goodness, it's $1. Yes, it's a perfect buy. So, but anyway, also be mindful if you do recreate this, that when you are putting your transfers on, that you don't put them on too low so that your word that you're attaching your heart frame to don't get covered up. And you will see that I did do this. I put some of my transfers on way too low, and because of the bless sign being all glued together, you really can't see it. But this is such a cute, fun project. It's quick, it's easy, it looks really great. I have to just add some pictures, which for my final review for you guys, you will see I've added some photos. But let me know what you guys think about this project also down in the comments. And here are all 3 final projects set out for you guys. I hope you guys really liked all of these. I had a fun time making them. If you're new here, hi, my name's Rose. Welcome to my channel. On here, we do all things DIY from Dollar Tree, dollar stores, and I'm thinking about even doing some repurposed items. So if that's something that you're into, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to be notified of all my future uploads. And I will see you guys next Friday. So leave in the comments down below which one of these projects was your favorite. If you're going to recreate any of these, please share a photo with me over on Instagram. I'd love to go ahead and see any photos of the recreations that you guys do. And I will talk to you soon in the comments. Have a great day. Bye.